Hello, I am Jacob Downing, and today we are going to be learning how to factor bi and trinomials. We're going to start with a trinomial here on the left, and the first step is you want to multiply the first term, which is right here, and since there isn't one, the first term is just 1. So you want to multiply this 1, invisible 1 in front of the x squared, times this 2. Which, of course, 1 times 2 is just 2. And then what you want to do with this 2 is you want to find two numbers that multiply to get 2, or that add to get the 2, but multiply to get this term, which in this case is a 1 right in front of this x. So, what two numbers multiply or add to get 2, but multiply to get 1? That's just 1 and 1. So, you know that your two magic numbers are 1 and 1. So you're going to start your parentheses here. X, 1, X, 1. Here you can see your two 1s that are your magic numbers that add to 2 and multiply to get this 1 here. Now you're going to look at your signs of your equation, which here are both positive. First, you look at the last sign here, and this will tell you how many negatives you have in the equation. Since the sign is positive, you have no negatives, so you don't even have to look at the first sign. But if it was because it's positive, you have two signs of whatever this first one is. So since this is a plus and this is a plus, this means both signs will be positive. But if this was a negative, both signs would be negative, because this tells you to copy this twice. So you have x plus 1 and x plus 1, or x equals negative 1. Now we're going to go to the binomial side. Binomials are quite easy. You just square both these numbers, because binomials, factorable binomials, only occur when you have two perfect squares. So what you're going to do is you're going to square root the x squared, square root the 4. The square root of x squared is just x, and the square root of 4 is just 2. So you're going to put your x here. You're going to split into two parentheses, so you have an x here, and a 2 here, and an x here, and a 2 here. And for your signs, you're always going to have one positive and one negative. So that's your answer. Or x equals plus or minus 2. And that's it.